Welcome to NAV Bites by Evo-Soft, where you can learn about Microsoft Dynamics NAV while you are having your morning coffee. Today we are looking at combining shipments. The most common way of creating invoices for goods sent to customer is by creating one invoice per sales shipment. Some customers, however, may require a single invoice covering a particular period which will cover multiple shipments. This is often for those with multiple orders being shipped regularly. You can do this by manually creating a sales invoice using the Get Shipment Lines feature. If, however, you need to do this regularly, particularly if you have a number of customers with this requirement, this process can be quite time-consuming. For this reason, Business Central has introduced a feature called Combined Shipments. This feature allows invoices for multiple shipments to be automatically created, provided all sales documents for the customer are in the same currency, and the customer has the Combined Shipments feature activated. To activate this feature for a customer, select a customer from the list and open the card. Go to the Shipping Fast tab. Here you can see the Combined Shipments option. Click to select it. Continue doing this for all customers who require combined shipments. When you create sales orders for these customers, post them as shipped but do not invoice them. To automatically combine the posted shipments on a single invoice, run the Combined Shipments job. Here you have the option of creating the posting date and document date of the invoice created. You also have filters for your sales orders and can choose a date range of shipments you want to consider. If you tick the Post Invoices option, then the invoices will be posted automatically after creation. If you want to review them first, do not tick it and you can post it later. Click OK. The message tells you how many invoices have been created. To see them, go to the Sales Invoice list. After reviewing the invoices, you can either post them individually in the normal way, or if you prefer, you can post them as a batch. To do this, click on the ribbon and go to Posting, Post Batch. You have filter options on the batch post which allow you control posting dates. Click OK. If there are any issues with the posting, the document is left behind with a message so that you can manually correct it. When you invoice shipments in this way, the orders from which the shipments were posted are not removed from the list, even if they have been fully shipped and invoiced. To remove these completed sales orders, you will need to delete them individually. Thank you for watching. Please go to our website and look out for more NAV Bites next time you are having coffee.